Alpha, I hear say you don't park your car because of fuel scarcity. Well, I'm here to introduce you IVM Motors. You see this car is using CNG, compressed natural gas, and the consumption rate, guys, is very minimal. You don't have to worry about fuel scarcity. And what again, this very vehicle, you can switch to fuel. You can also switch back to the CNG, no stress. So you see that your vehicle, you don't need to park it anymore. Come, let me show you. Just follow me. So right here is the CNG box. This is how this vehicle is fashioned. So once you buy, say bye-bye to your fuel scarcity problems with IVM Motors. Thank you.
Hello everyone, welcome back to another one. So today guys, we are in Innoson Vehicle manufacturing plant here in Nnewi, Anambra State, Nigeria. And guess what? Innoson Vehicles has just rolled out some CNG and LNG vehicles. CNG vehicles are compressed natural gas powered vehicles. These vehicles, they use compressed natural gas instead of the normal fuel. And the LNG vehicles, they use liquidified natural gas instead of the normal fuel. So we all know the situation in the country now, in Nigeria at the moment. The price of fuel has gone up. It's now so exorbitant, and the common man is crying out loud. So this is the best time for people to start buying Innoson CNG and LNG vehicles, and also to be converting their vehicles to CNG and LNG, because Innoson Vehicles don't just produce CNG and LNG vehicles, they also convert people's vehicles that use normal fuel and normal diesel to CNG and LNG. So this is coming right at the right time. It's coming at the right time when Nigerians are crying out loud because the fuel subsidy has been removed. The removal of fuel subsidy that made people to start crying out loud could be a blessing in disguise. This is the right time for Nigerians to, embrace this new technology. It is far cheaper. CNG and LNG vehicles, the consumption rate is very minimal. Once you buy, it consumes at a lower rate compared to normal fuel and diesel. And there are so many advantages using CNG and LNG vehicles. So take a tour around this vehicle. Take a tour around this Innoson vehicle manufacturing plant. See all these long buses that can be used for mass transit, in cities, so that it will cut down the price of transportation. This is the right time for the people, for the government to embrace this new technology. CNG and LNG vehicles are just the way to go. So you can see so many people that came to witness the official commissioning of these CNG and LNG vehicles. It was indeed an amazing day. It was indeed a day that history was made in Nnewi, Anambra State, Nigeria, because finally Innoson has provided solution to the needs of the people out there. People are crying that, oh, fuel is now too expensive. Transportation cost is now on a very high side. How do we cope with life? And now this is coming to us. The best time to embrace this new technology is now. Innoson CNG and LNG vehicles are just the way to go.
Sorry. Let me show you you can see that this is the gas for the CNG. So this one was converted here in the factory. It was converted to CNG. So what it means is that Innoson Vehicles, they can convert your vehicles to CNG. All you have to do is to bring down your vehicle here. They will just do it for you. You enjoy the benefits of using a CNG engine. the benefits are enormous, you know. So that's the great things happening here in Innoson Vehicles. This is going to be a very wonderful day. Just stay tuned to this event.
And this is the factory, inside the factory where these vehicles are being produced. So this will show you that Innoson Vehicles are truly made in Nigeria, not just assembled in Nigeria. You know, this has been an argument going on for a very long time. People have been asking, are Innoson Vehicles made in Nigeria, or are they just imported and then assembled here in Nigeria? No, Innoson Vehicles are not just assembled in Nigeria, they are made here in Nigeria. It's another important thing to note. I'm going to do a longer video to show you guys that Innoson Vehicles are truly made here in Nigeria. So enjoy this tour around this production plant.